How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to pair a Bluetooth headset or just about any Bluetooth device to your iPhone. So the way you do it is you go to settings, or the settings icon on your iPhone, and go to general from here. And from here you're going to go down to Bluetooth and flip this little switch on. And once it's on, you can see it's discoverable and it's searching for devices. So I'm going to get my Bluetooth headset right here. It's off right now. I'm going to press and hold the power button and tell the red and blue lights flash, because that's how I know it's in pairing mode. So there you go, it's in pairing mode, and the iPhone should discover it in a little bit. There you go, and you just tap on it and it should connect. If it asks you for a password, enter the password for the Bluetooth device, but if it's 0000, which most Bluetooth devices are, it'll get it automatically. So you can see it's connected and I'm good to go, and you can see the pairing light is off on my Bluetooth.